the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 14 from verse 1 to verse 6. Jesus cured one man on the Sabbath. One Sabbath, when Jesus did go for Nyama one important Pharisee yard, the guests them did a watch him like ark. One man where suffer with swell up on her foot did in front of Jesus. Jesus asked the law teacher them and the Pharisee them say, if you get people better upon the Sabbath, you broke the law? They no answer him. Jesus hold the man hand and make him better. Then send him away. Jesus asked them say, which one of you, if you have one boy picnic or one cow, we drop in a one well upon the Sabbath, now go draw them out same time? Them couldn't answer that neither. Gad Wod Dis. Thank God